Hello everyone. I hope you revised electromagnetism, which we have studied in last video. In this particular video, we are going to study the application part of electromagnetism. So electromagnetism find its better usefulness in various things. The one which we are going to discuss here is electric well. So this is the circuit diagram of electric well. Okay, what it consists of? Here is electromagnets, right? Second is iron armature. This is your iron armature, right? This one is iron armature. Third thing is springy metal strip. This metal strip you are seeing here is springy metal strip. It behaves as a spring. Fourth one is your hammer. This particular thing is hammer. And fifth is gong. And sixth one is contact screw. This is the contact screw. So what happens in electric bell? It works on the principle of electromagnetism. So what is the principle of electromagnetism? Principle of electromagnetism. Electric bell works on the principle of electromagnetism. That is what happens. Electric bell works on the principle of electromagnetism. So what we studied in electromagnetism, that there is the induction of magnetic field whenever there is a supply of current. So in this particular diagram, here we have a switch. So what happens when this switch is pushed? Current starts flowing in the circuit, and this electromagnet, remember we have studied two types of electromagnet, one is I-shaped and second is U-shaped. So this particular electromagnet is U-shaped, or what we can say horseshoe electromagnet. So this is a U-shaped electromagnet. So this magnet will get magnetized. Whenever it gets magnetized, here you see here is iron armature. So this iron armature will get attracted, and when this got attracted towards this, due to the magnetic field of this electromagnet, the hammer pushes the gong, and in this way we find that bell is ringing. But this process you see in your homes, that bell is not like if we have pushed the switch and it start ringing and ringing and ringing. It starts ringing for a particular time, and after 5 to 6 seconds it stops. What happens here? When this pushes the hammer, right? After this, here is your contact screw, right? From here, the system, the circuit completes and breaks. And after that, the circuit breaks and the bell stops ringing. Okay, so this is the principle of electric bell. Now let's have a closer look on electric bell.
Working of electric bell. Let us study how an electric bell works to produce sound. In an electric bell, the terminals T1 and T2 are connected to a battery through a push button switch. When the push button switch is pressed, electric current flows from the dry cell to the electromagnet, and then to the contact screw, and finally to terminal T2, and again to the dry cell. Thus the electric circuit is completed. When the electric current flows through the bell, the following effects take place. Electromagnet gets activated and pulls the soft iron armature strongly towards itself. The spring connecting the armature and the stud S gets under tension. The hammer strikes against the gong, which produces sound. The electric current flowing in the circuit breaks at the contact points, but the armature and hammer continue moving toward the electromagnet due to inertia of motion. As the electric circuit breaks, the electromagnet gets demagnetized. Thus, it cannot hold the armature. At this movement, the spring, which is under tension, brings the armature to its original position. As the armature returns to the original position, the electrical contact is re-established and electric current flows through the circuit. Thus, the armature is again attached towards the electromagnet. In this way, a rapid make and break of electric contact takes place and the hammer hits against the gong, producing a ringing sound.
So students, I hope you learned about electromagnetism, electric bell. So thank you.